Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, I will be telling you about the SAP Gateway and OData services. First, I will be telling you what is SAP Gateway, what is OData, and at the end, I will be telling you using a diagram about the position of OData services. So, what is SAP Gateway? SAP Gateway is a platform that you can install on your ERP solution, and it is used to connect with SAP and non-SAP devices. Like here you can see in the picture below that we have the SAP BW, SAP S/4HANA or any SAP source system in the base. Then you have connected your SAP Gateway on top of that, and then you have used these OData services in order to connect with one of the mobile applications or tablet applications or PC applications. As an example, I can tell you about the SAP Fiori apps is an example that is used for SAP Gateway services. Now we will be learning about the OData. OData is an open data protocol used in web technologies, just like HTTP protocol that is used in World Wide Web. Similar to that, OData is also used for SAP applications. And OData service that is used in SAP Gateway to connect with the non-SAP platform, and it follows REST architectural style, representational state transfer. Similar to HTTP, OData is also followed by REST architectural style. Here it is a kind of a method for reading and writing the server-client communication. So we will be now moving into the next slide where we will see in much better picture about the uses of OData services. In the left side, we have this standard REST architectural style. Here we can see that we have this client and server structure used by HTTP protocol, and we have this web infrastructure where we write the main logic or data format or any kind of programming to read the data from the server. And on the other side, if we look at this right hand side picture, here also we have this client server model, and here the server can be one of your SAP business suite application, like if I talk about SAP BW or SAP HANA, SAP S/4HANA. And we have this client, so client can be one of your Fiori application, mobile application, and it use the OData protocol. Just like here in the case of HTTP protocol, we have this OData protocol. So in the OData protocol there is some modified or included version, just like for HTTP, and it used the OData services. So here we write the main logic or codes in order to read the data from the server. And the SAP Gateway is used in this whole process. It is because SAP Gateway is a platform where this OData works. So that's all about this tutorial, and I hope you have understood about this concept of SAP Gateway and OData services. So thank you for watching, and please look into the other tutorials. I've given the links in the below description. Thank you for watching.